Let's see. Oh, what? Canopy Diner?
Yo, ain't no way you
Oh,
just
you
said
guys
that.
get over here. Who the Parker VR?
Canopy
Where are the
Diner.
murder
No
bunnies?
way, bro. You don't
Who
know
the-
Parker VR.
Who? Hell no! Who the
He was a really good YouTuber that passed away.
Oh, no.
I need to mute this kid. He's swearing. Oh!
Yeah, it does seem like that the way they put it, but like you gotta
Okay, I'm gonna
respect
mute this kid. Oh
him.
my
It's a
god.
loving memory.
This shit is not.
Yeah, and also Gary can't kill you now, which makes.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I,
he disappeared for a second.
oh my god. I actually.
Come on, guys, kiss them.
I almost took a boom boom, bro. Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, slice.
We can reform type of Ratatouille type stuff. Like Ratatouille type.
This is my Ratatouille stuff.
Seriously, Ratatouille type.
Oh, it's a tomato.
Wow! I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
I'm a pizza.
Yo,
I'm a
new
pizza.
meme, new meme.
I'm a pizza.
Yo, instead of pancake, it's pizza now.
I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza. I'm a pizza.
Dude, all they gotta do is make everything
Hey,
work.
it has 500 degrees for 1 second, by the way. It's at 5 million degrees.
Who's Parker VR?
Yo, go for the random secrecy in this game now, dude. Yo, bro, I'm a Tui, bro. I'm a Tui type.
Oh, did you know? Oh, what the heck?
Oh my god, there's the moon. There's the moon. No way,
Tonight,
it's
we
the
see
chin.
that
It's the chin. The
Oh,
moon. Yeah. The moon.
Tonight,
Yo,
we
you
see
know what fun?
the
Do you know
moon.
what's the funny thing?
Yeah.
With the funny
I'm gonna go
thing
to
is that
actually. I'm
happens
gonna
on
go
the
to the moon. It's a double. It's a double. You want one? It's the moon.
The leak said that something fun. The leak said to keep an eye on the moon because something funny could happen. But what?
I never expected to sit on the water tower in a really bad map, looking at the moon inside of a pixelated game.
Wait, does this mean that
Bro,
the
you're
map
like-
is rotating right now?
We'll go check the map.
No, the backgrounds isn't coming out next week. It's gonna be a new adventure, but it's not.
It could be a reactor map, or
What's the adventure?
Bro, did you guys see the new
kitchen? I'm not
Did
sure.
you guys see the kitchen?
I did.